Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the recess cover, display enclosure, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal: disconnect the hard disk drive adapter cable from its connector on the hard disk drive. Important: make careful note of the position of the hard disk drive bracket on the hard disk drive for later replacement. Remove the hard disk drive bracket from the hard disk drive. Place the hard disk drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the hard disk drive from the static dissipative bag. Place the hard disk drive bracket onto the hard disk drive. Connect the hard disk drive adapter cable onto its connector on the hard disk drive.